Hey guys, Pablo here. If you've been here before, welcome back. But if you've never been here, thanks for coming. So today, quick little video on using the Zhiyun Smooth 4 in portrait mode. And if you like this video or want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and help me hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put the Zhiyun Smooth 4 into portrait mode. I had a request for this video a little while back, but I'm just getting around to doing it now. So let me show you. When you have your Zhiyun your Smooth 4, it comes already in landscape mode, right? So you put your phone in here, and then that's how you're going to be shooting in landscape mode. But you can also put this thing into portrait mode for Instagram videos, for Instagram stories, TikToks, or for whenever you need to make a portrait video. So what you do is back here, there's a little knob, turn it until the phone, so this thing rotates down. Close it up, tighten it up, and then just like that, you're in portrait mode. With Filmic Pro, you're able to use all the controls here without having to touch the phone. Within the Zhiyun Z Play, I believe it's called, Z Play app, you're able to use this here. But if you're right in the Instagram app, you're going to have to use your phone, touching your phone to make to record and all that other stuff. So the Moment app doesn't have any integrations with this Smooth 4, but if you were trying to just make a quick portrait video and then putting it into Instagram using the Filmic Pro app, you can make that happen. Let's put the phone into the Zhiyun Smooth 4. I reset it to the portrait mode. You just turn this little knob over here. So let's just put this in to show you how it would work. Alright, so now phone is in, looks like it's in portrait mode, but let's turn the gimbal on, and now we are in portrait mode, as you can see, just like so. I'm going to go into the native camera app. Video. So now, if you wanted to, we can take some nice smooth shots. I'm just going to pan to the side so you can see that nice and smooth. I'm not looking at it, so I have no idea what's happening. We can also go to Instagram. Let's go to Instagram right now. And you can do, your Instagram stories, you can go to TikTok. So any social media that is best in portrait mode, you can use the Smooth 4 to get some nice, steady, smooth shots. In particular here, so if you shoot within the app itself, you can use the filters. You can kind of do the same thing. You can pan up, or tilt, I should say, sorry, pan to the side. I'm probably in it, probably looks weird. But this way you can level up your Instagram stories, I guess your reels as well, your TikToks, whatever it may be that you're gonna be using to post to social media. You can use this Smooth 4, and it does have a little tripod leg, so you can put it down if you wanted to. So instead of holding your phone, or using like some random object, you can put it on here, or you can have somebody take video of you, and they can be the one that's kind of following you around or getting you some nice different angles that you normally wouldn't be able to get without having something that's smooth. Sometimes handheld isn't the smoothest. This will give you nice smooth shots that are steady. So that is how to use the Zhiyun Smooth 4 in portrait mode. Sometimes you will see that this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max You'll see the motor. Right now you don't see it because I have it high enough, but you'll see the motor in the actual shot towards the bottom here. But what you can do is you can just raise the phone up. So you can raise it up or down, so that way you don't see it. So you can just kind of go up a little bit higher, and that way you don't have that motor in your shot. Because if I were to switch over to the, well, up here, but let me go to back to the native app. I'm going to switch over to the wide angle. You'll see the motor right here. Let me switch over. Kind of barely see it there, so if you just kind of keep raising it, you'll get that out of the shot, out of the frame. Pretty simple to do, pretty easy. If you have any questions, any comments, just put them down below. I love hearing from you. If you've liked this video, give it a nice thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I would highly appreciate it. Maybe we'll have a party, massive giveaway. I don't know yet. What do you guys think? What should we do when we reach 1,000 subscribers? Let's make it happen. And like always, just keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace.